Okay, welcome to another Mad Human Pizza video. Took the tire off, and then there's two bolts. There's 14. One's right there, and the other one's right there, and they look like that. And then use a flathead screwdriver to take the brake pad off, which looks like that. And it was resting against the rotor right there. So we just took a flathead screwdriver, oh my, like so, right there, to push off the old brake pad. And I use a sledgehammer right here. And you hit it against that and you'll knock it off. And then once you do that, knock that off. Okay, we gotta get those clips out of there, which are really gnarly. And if you see dust fly up, use some brake cleaner. Spray the crap out of it. Don't spray your assistant. Alright. There's one of the clips. Now we gotta get the bottom clip. There's people talking in the background. I don't know what they're saying. That's good. They're busy doing something else. Okay, remember how you took it off, because you're going to put the new one on the same way. Yeah. Okay, so that will go downward, right? Will this go downward?
Yeah, they're all the same. One goes up, one goes down.
Oh, okay, then we'll spray it here. Get all the dust crap off. I'll splash somebody.
You are.
Okay. You want to take a bath? This went down, right? Right?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Like that?
Mm-hmm.
That's weird.
And then the other one will just flip up the other way to go underneath. So these clips are downward.
Like,
this way.
like that?
Yeah.
So that was going up and that's going down.
It holds them in place.
Cool. Alright, no condescending there.
Mm-hmm. That's what she said.
Now we need a new pad assistant. Alright, well, just one at a time. Alright. You sure doesn't that rest on the ground? You sure that doesn't stick up in the air?
Now there's these pieces on this side that go down.
Can you see them?
Between
I have to see myself.
these. You see them?
No. Huh?
You see, okay. You see this right here?
Mm-hmm.
And these?
Mm-hmm.
They all need to go down.
Oh, okay, it goes down to the middle.
Uh-huh. You get it in as much as you can, and the brake pads will help push them in place.
Gotcha.
There we go, I got that one in.
Oh, you got it.
Yeah. Just don't push the clips out.
It's good like that. They say not to get your fingerprints on this part because you don't get oils, because your skin has the oils on it, but come on now.
That's just for battery.
It's for brake pads too. They get really anal about this stuff.
That's what she said.
Mm-hmm. They're not supposed to snap up there. Aren't they supposed to snap in like this?
Yeah.
Maybe it's not like that.
Mm-mm. Because you gotta have...
These things go into there.
Yes.
I know what we need to do. All else fails, spray.
Yeah, I'm definitely taking another shower.
I get you. That one snapped in here. It's that bottom part's. I think it's good.
I think it'll be fine.
Where's the yellow one at?
Into place.
How's this one go? Like that. Like that.
Mm-hmm.
The brake pad should push it in.
Mm-hmm.
If I can get it. Okay, this needs to come out. Oh, I like that one. It makes that noise. That's the one right?
Yes,
Okay. See, we're both getting more confident. Now I need to reach over the. Oh, why the screwdriver? Back your screwdriver. Okay, it goes like that. Alright. Focus my camera. There we go, got the bottom. Now I gotta figure out how to get the top. Going in? No. Watch your head. It didn't snap. I feel like I pushed something. Yeah, I bent it. I hate metal clips. I had to bend that up, all up. Hold on me. I don't know if it's in or not. It did make that snapping noise. The one we like.
Yeah, see, it looks like it needs to go in. Oh, there you go.
Sure, it's got like a gap up there.
Yeah.
I think it's pushed against the metal. Hold on. Hold on. Okay, I'm not gonna be able to do both at the same time, but I gotta depress that piston with the C clamp. And where's my hat? Okay, it's WD hat. Alright, so we're gonna depress that piston. You can, that's just brake cleaner. Take off the top of the brake reservoir and make sure it doesn't overflow. Alright, let's get that on there and then crank it down till you push that. I have a tripod, but not today. Oh. Not today. So you want to use your old brake pad so it flattens it evenly. But I don't like doing that, so it wasn't working for me. It's actually depressing, but and it'll stay in. It'll stay in when you push it in. Otherwise, I don't know how you would do it. It's probably recording a bunch of darkness. Alright. It's in, and hopefully the brake fluid's not overflowing. It shouldn't be. I'm gonna spray that. I have it laying on the tire. I don't want to spray the tire. It's a brand new tire.
It's not gonna hurt the tire.
It'd be like, ow. Alright.
Yeah.
Alright. My shoe. Now my shoe though. It'll like it. Alright. Okay. Ah! Alright, hold on. I got it all over the tire. Bad brakes. Alright. Man, that's nasty. Alright, it's got the hole up there. Gotta put the holes together. Is that pushed in? What's going on? Something's going on wrong. Hold on.
These are
The other way, other way.
righty tighty lefty.
Yeah, yep. It's just supposed to clean these out, which I did. Wink, wink. So, well, you're supposed to make sure they're. I don't know what you're supposed to do, but all I know is there. That's what I know. Okay. The bottom one's doing the same thing. Just want to unloosen it up so I can push it in. There we go. Alright, we lined it up. Now I'll get that bolt over it. Need my hand, got that brake cleaner on it, and I can feel them drying up. Because that's what it does. It wets and dries almost instantly. It's really bad. The state of California gave you cancer. Breathing. But, alright, we want to get these on there. I get them tight. I don't know what the torque spec is, but we'll get on there. Tight, we got them off, and that looks really nice. Alright, let's get it. This is 14 millimeter. Come on. Oh, going the wrong way. Derp-de-derp. Everything's backwards. Alright. How's your back? Oh yeah, the top one I actually used the socket. Okay. Alright. I know you guys want to watch this part. This is the best part, putting this on. Alright, it's on. Alright, double check. We'll double check. Okay, now we just throw the tire on, we're good. Alright, let's torque these down, 76 foot-pounds. On. There we go, okay. Okay, so this back here. Well, focus. Will it focus? That's the old. I'm gonna put on the new. That's the new. I'm gonna spray it. Okay, if you made it this far, you've made it to the Mad Human Pizza Lounge. This lounge is where we talk about the old brake pads and brake parts. We're here and we look at them and we see that they're metal and they're corroded and rusted and they're just going to be thrown away. But, you know, recycle them, of course. Hardy har har. Har har. Hee haw. So as you can see, that there's some pad left on there, but it was like a rough, hard, like, noises going on. It was crazy. It was absolutely crazy having all the noises and stuff. Like I said, this is the Mad Human Pizza Lounge, and let me try to figure out how to. There we go. All right, so this is the. Let me flip this around. This is the Mad Human Pizza Lounge. I'm down here by my dishwasher. That doesn't work. Doesn't work very good. Anyway, so that was my video. I changed the brakes in the dark. Changed the back in the evening, and then in the morning I changed the front. So, and they're all the disc brake pads, and got popcorn, pizza in my teeth, so I gotta brush them and floss them. Anyway, I think I have this upside down again. So that was my video. Have a wonderful day.